It's your girl Linda Tony. There is this new hack I found and I was like, damn, I have been stressing myself since. Do you always find it difficult remembering what to say on your talking video as a content creator? I am a strong advocate of working smarter rather than hard. Girl, why should I stress myself when there are lots of software applications out there for me to use as a content creator?
Wow.
How about I show you easy way on how to read your script while you video at the same time? Well, the only way to achieve this is if you watch this video till the end. So if you're interested, click on the follow button, like this video, comment and share this to many people. Meanwhile, that's what I'm using to make this video right now. So let's get right into the video of the day.
You want to go to your CapCut app. Once you are there, you click on Teleprompter. Once the Teleprompter is open, it will take you to this particular page. So here, we click on this arrow here. Once you click on that arrow, it will then take you to this page where you are going to write the text you are going to be using on your video, like what you want to say. You are going to type it in here. So I've already done that outside this video. So now let me introduce you to other features of this teleprompter. It has so many effects. You can click on any of the effects you want. This, if you want to change the background of your video, you can click on the green screen. Then there are so many effects here. You can just play around it and do whatever you want to do. Right? Then here, if you want to increase the speed of your write-up, you can increase the speed. You can increase the speed. You can increase the font size to make it bolder for you to see. Then you can also use add color to highlight it, so in case you are reading, you know the particular place you are, so you don't get pressured or something. So it's going to be like this. So once you click on the blue button there, it starts recording. So you see, once you start recording, you start seeing the write-up there. So this is the outcome of the video. So this is what it looks like. As you can see here, there's no write-up on it. It came out so clean, like a normal video. So as a content creator, it's always good to work smarter and not harder. Just find ways to improvise things.